Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to enter the settings. They're in the right upper corner, so let's tap on it, and here we have to localize the option self timer, which is right here, so let's tap. Right in this device we've got 3 different options, so off, 2 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, so just tap on this option, it will be highlighted, and now after tapping on the shutter button your device will count down from 10 or 2 or 3, of course depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, we've got it. Of course, we can turn it off just by entering the settings again, self timer, and tap on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.